Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can unlock the lock screen with VoiceOver On. So the first thing that you need to do is from your lock screen, you want to swipe at the bottom up and hold it around here. Hold it for a second or two to bring up the keypad. Now to enter the passcode, we need to put in your current screen passcode. And my screen passcode is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing that we want to do is touch on number 1. So tap on number 1 to select 1, and then we double tap. Now we select number 2, then we double tap. Next we tap on number 3, then double tap. Then I select number 4, and I will double tap. Then I tap on number 5, and I double tap. And I'll tap on number 6 to double tap. Once you put in the correct passcode, the screen will unlock. And that's it. So another way to unlock your screen is you can use Siri. So if you have Siri turned on, you can press on Siri. So you can see here it asks me to enter the passcode. So what I can do is press on Siri and turn off VoiceOver, because if you accidentally turn on VoiceOver, you can use Siri to switch it off. Turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now off.
And once VoiceOver is off, you can unlock the screen by simply putting the screen passcode, and that will allow you to quickly unlock your screen. Now, another thing is that during unlock the screen, you can hear that the phone will speak out all the things that you touch on the screen, and sometimes that can be annoying. You can also switch it off. Turn on VoiceOver. So you can see here.
Passcode 2, 3, DEF 5, 4.
So that can be annoying. So if to switch off that speech, you can double tap with 3 fingers on the screen.
Speech off.
And that will turn off the speech. And here you can now enter the input without having the phone to giving out that speech audio. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.